Welcome to this video on the tension releasing exercises. Whether you're here for yourself, to take away the bodily aches and pains of daily living, or to perform better in stressful environments, or to release things from your past, TREs can help. If you're here for your clients, to learn a way to teach your clients to self-regulate, to be able to deal with the ups and downs of an imperfect world, TREs can help. TREs are the work of Dr. David Berceli. After spending many years in war-torn countries, and in normal everyday society, David began to see that two groups showed similar symptoms: decreased ability to sleep, heightened irritability, and a decreased capacity for healthy relationships. All symptoms of the inability to deal with stress and tension effectively. This led David to discover the TREs. The tension releasing exercises are a series of 7 basic and simple exercises that can be done by anyone. They take between 6 and 15 minutes. And the last position has you lying down on the floor relaxing. Once your body is relaxed, what begins to happen is it begins to gently tremor. And these tremors are called neurogenic tremors. So the tension releasing exercises create these neurogenic tremors, and these neurogenic tremors allow you to heal on many levels.
Serious pain in my knee, and I haven't been babying it. I've just been trying to move through it, and it's gone.
So remember, I kept asking you where the pain was?
There's nothing. There's no tenderness. There's nothing there. I can sit cross-legged, and it was serious pain concerning me.
It was an amazing emotional release, and I was saying to Chris in the midst of it that it's so clearly release of something strong that I've been holding on to for a really long time.
The laughter was so...
It was just totally involuntary. It felt like it came right out of my legs and up into my body and down my mouth. It just felt like it emanated from somewhere deep in part of my body almost. It had nothing to do with, I didn't think of a funny joke or anything. Peaceful, relaxed. I don't really want to disturb myself.
After doing TRE for many years now, I have found that not only has it been positive for me in releasing past issues and past traumas, but I find it very useful in using it in traumas that happen in the moment. So things like when my dog barked at a kid and scared me very much, when I injured my knee and I had fallen down, when I got a call about my father who had been put in the hospital right away, and even just having a disagreement with my husband. The sooner I get down and get on the floor and do my TREs, the better I feel, and the more I can go into my life in a healthy way.
First and foremost, we learn to use TRE for us. They're for our benefit, so that we can learn to deal with the ups and downs of an imperfect world in a more graceful way. After we have learned the tension releasing exercises for ourselves, and going through a certification program, and fulfilling requirements, we can begin using TREs professionally with clients.
I got involved with the TREs about 2.5 years ago. Chris introduced me to them, and I thought, oh, this feels marvelous. I'm really able to let go of some old stuff. And that process continued, and I then began doing that with patients. So I would get the whole family to come in and shake together. And I noticed that had a profound effect on all of them, that when they could get into that parasympathetic nervous system state, all of them together and shaking, that it started to change the nature of their conversations, and more importantly, how they were relating and connecting to each other.
Other groups that can benefit from TREs are people that live in high-stress environments, whether it's the stress of deadlines and the pressure of a 60-hour work week, of a corporate environment, whether it's being in the military, or on a police force, or working in an emergency room, or being a veteran. TREs can help.
I'm Colin. I was in Iraq, 05-06, and the TRE is a great way to sort of release everything that you brought back with you, and it gets it out, and you don't even know it's leaving.
I was Afghanistan in 05, Iraq 06, 07, and TREs has helped me acknowledge and release the troubles that have been really getting at me over the past few years.
Are you sleeping better?
Sleeping a lot better now.
Right on.
Bill Henson, Marine Corps Infantry, Vietnam, 1968-69. I found TRE to be very effective in getting to and releasing a lot of the tension and post-traumatic stress that I experienced back then that I've been sitting on for 40 years.
Do you guys think that other veterans should take the program, basically?
Absolutely.
Definitely.
Yeah,
For sure.
absolutely.
For sure.
Great. All right, thank you, gentlemen, very much for serving and for showing up at the workshop, TRE Workshop, Boulder, Colorado, November 2012.
Veterans Day.
Veterans Day.
Veterans Day.
Yay, right on. All right. And now, before we go, I'd like to share a few things from my perspective. How valuable I've found the tension releasing exercises. Whether it's taking away the aches and pains of 21 hours in an airplane on an international flight, or taking away fatigue at the end of 12-hour days teaching workshops, I find that TREs really help me get to a calm and quiet space, very readily and very reliably. From the perspective of 25 years in the profession of helping, whether it's being a coach, a trainer, or a therapist, I can honestly say that I have found nothing as fast and as reliable as the tension releasing exercises are to get my clients to a calm and centered state of peace, a place where we can begin to heal. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope we've answered some of your questions, and better yet, maybe we've had you raise a few more questions. In either case, I look forward to speaking with you, or perhaps seeing you in one of the 3-day TRE certification programs, or any one of the other programs that we offer. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
Manik, ganyo ko amoy yay ng pumam. Bye, my bye boy.